Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you 5 most coolest pattern you do on your 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First is Cheakerboard pattern. The Cheakerboard pattern algorithm is shown on the screen. M2, E2, S2. And it makes something look like this. Take it anywhere and do the algorithm. M2, E2, S2. And the second one is dot pattern. Dot pattern is look like, so on the screen the algorithm as M, E, M prime, E prime, and make it so dot pattern. The dot where changes in its place. To solve it, do the dot algorithm 2 times. M, E, M prime, E prime, M, E, M prime, and U prime, E prime. And the third one is cube in a cube pattern. Cube in a cube pattern algorithm saw you on this screen. Do the algorithm U2, L2, F2, U, B2, D, R, F, R, F prime, R, F prime, D prime, B2, and U prime. And this is the cube in a cube pattern. And the fourth one is cube in a cube pattern. And in cube in a cube pattern, make the cube in a cube pattern and do the algorithm. Take the block on your right side and do the algorithm. B2, and this is cube in a cube. First cube was this, second cube was this, and third cube was this. Then to solve it, take it, rotate, and take it anywhere, and do the first this corner twist pattern. And take the block on left and do the cube in a cube pattern algorithm. And it solved it. And the fifth and the last pattern was not more specialist because it's not more look like good. Or I have a bonus pattern. The fifth one, and I will have one bonus pattern. So fifth one is not must. M2, U2, M2, and D2. And this is plus minus. This is a plus, and these are something look like this. M2, U2, M2, and D2. And it. And the sixth was the bonus pattern. Bonus pattern was my favorite ones, and they are solved in here. Do MU 4 times, M U prime 4 times, M U prime, M U prime, M U prime, M U prime. Then Y and Z, M U prime, M U prime, M U prime, M U prime. Then Y, then Z, then M U prime, M U prime, M U prime, M U. This is known as super flip pattern. It is my favorite pattern. I use it on most times. It is obviously look cool on 5x5. I saw your stuff. 5x5. And this was not much cool. And you do the middle layer look like that 4 times and wide moves. And this was look something cool. If you have bigger cubes, say more than 5x5 like 7x7, 9x9, and the pattern will look so cool. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.